In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3D spline scenes into Webflow. This is a fantastic way to enhance your web design projects by integrating dynamic 3D elements directly into your site. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to open your Webflow project where you want to add the 3D spline scene. Once you're in the designer view, take a look on the left-hand side where you'll find a plus icon. This is the Add Elements tab. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu of various elements you can include in your project. As you scroll through the list, keep going until you reach the media section. This is where you'll find a variety of multimedia elements that can make your website more engaging. Among these options, you'll see something labeled as Spline Scene. Now, it's time to select this particular element. Simply click on Spline Scene and drag it over to the section of your page where you want it to appear. The intuitive drag and drop interface of Webflow makes it easy to position elements exactly where you envision them on your site. Once you drop it into place, you'll notice a dialog box appears. And don't worry, this is exactly what we need. The dialog box you'll see is the Spline Scene settings, where you'll be prompted to enter a URL. This is essentially the link to the 3D spline scene you've already created or sourced from Spline. If you haven't yet created your spline scene, make sure to do that first and obtain the URL share link. Now, go ahead and copy that link. Return to your Webflow project and paste the link into the designated URL field in the Spline Scene Settings dialog box. It's critical that your URL is accurate, so double check to ensure everything is correct. After pasting the URL, look for the button that says Reload Spline Scene and click it. This action is what brings your 3D scene to life on your Webflow page. And just like that, your spline scene should appear where you placed it in your design. With these simple steps, you've successfully integrated a 3D element into your Webflow project, adding a modern and interactive touch to your site that is sure to captivate visitors. Experiment with different scenes and placements to find what best enhances your website design. This ability to utilize 3D spline scenes opens up a whole new world of creativity in web design. I hope this has been helpful, and feel free to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.